Well, I finally did it. This morning I was taking off to do a little mud thing, and I flipped the thing over backwards. It dumped me off in the yard and it tore the hood completely off. So I had to build that brace under there, and I'm going to put hood pins, 4 hood pins to hold it on, and just remove it when I need to work on it. Have it bolted down 4 places when I'm not working on it. I went ahead and added the front bumper while I was there. I got happy with the welder and went ahead and cut that out and welded it on there too. A little extra weight. Put plenty of room for bigger tires on the front. That's coming soon. Got it back together, except for the hood pins. I'll do that tomorrow. Go up to the Tractor Supply and get that done tomorrow sometime and get her back together. You know, I can't go a day without hitting the trails. So keep everybody posted. I think that's all I've done this week. Tear it up and fix it. Later.
Came rolling round loud and proud with your boys, talking about all that city slang, act like we don't know a thing, just like we some backwoods rejects, barely write a bad check, bass fishing, cousin kissing, nothing but a bunch of rednecks. I'm about to let you know, son, we was raised on them shotguns, ain't none of us ever gonna back down, we proud of being small town. Better listen to me close before you keep running that lip, cause there's a 50-50 chance that you might get your ass whipped. Tell you how it's going down all up in here. Everybody knows just who you